Hey everyone, it's Brad here, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play the Blackthorn Stick. It's a well-known Irish jig, great for Irish tenor banjo. We're going to work through the 8-bar A section first and then the 8-bar B section, 1 bar at a time, and at the end I'll play you a full slow tune playthrough so that you can join in. Tabs are going to be on screen for the whole lesson. Just first of all, I'm just going to give you a quick playthrough. I'll start with the A section just so you can have a listen to that at a quicker tempo. So that is the 8-bar A section. We're going to move on to the B section. I'll quickly show you that. So that's the B section. So again, I'm going to break it down a lot slower than that. We'll do 1 bar at a time. Let's make a start on the first, the A section. Now it starts with a pickup note. That's fret 5, that's a D. And then bar 1, nice and slow. Here we go. Bar 2. Bar 3. Bar 4. So let's try and put them together. Okay, let's move on to the next bar. Okay, next one. Next one. And then the last bar. So I'm going to put them 4 bars together now. So that is the entire A section. So we break down the first 4 bars and then the next 4 bars. So just practice that nice and slowly. Let's move on now to the B section. Again, this one's going to start with a pickup note. It's that same D note again. And bar 1 in the B section. Bar 2. 3. And bar 4. So I'm just going to put them 4 bars together now, nice and slow. Okay, let's move on to the next bar. Okay, next bar. And the next one. And then the last bar in the B section. So let's put them 4 bars together. Here we go. So let's put that entire thing together, the whole B section. Cool, so well done. You've now worked all your way through the Blackthorn Stick. Practice each section separately at first and then increase the speed once everything feels clean and comfortable. And if you're completely new or even an intermediate level player on the tenor banjo, download my Banjo Basics guide. A link will be in the description below. Covers tuning, holding the banjo, some basic techniques and some exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.